Would you buy a car you can't test drive, can't inspect, and might be total junk just to flip it for cash? Yeah, sounds sketchy, but I did it, and here's how it went. So I was scrolling through Copart, looking for a flip car under $2,000. That's the sweet spot. Cheap enough to risk, but decent enough to profit from if you know what you're doing. Then I spotted a 2010 Honda Civic, 138,000 miles, clean title, listed as minor front-end damage. That alone caught my eye. Retail value on this car was around $4,500. I dug deeper, no airbags deployed, no frame damage, just cosmetic stuff. I set my max bid to $1,500 and watched it like a hawk. Final hammer price? $1,400. After Copart's famous hidden fees, delivery, and taxes, I was all in for $1,830. The car was delivered to me a few days later. I didn't want to risk driving it from the auction lot because, let's be real, you never know what you're getting with these. When it rolled off the truck, I was actually surprised. Yeah, the bumper was busted and one headlight was foggy, but overall it looked solid. Interior was worn but not trashed. Mechanically, no warning lights, no weird noises, and it started right up. Now, on to repairs. First, I hit eBay for a replacement bumper. $120. Paint supplies cost me another $60 because I rattle-canned it myself. Not perfect, but good enough for resale. I spent about $30 on interior cleaning supplies, upholstery foam, carpet brush, and a cheap steamer. I didn't pay for labor because I did everything myself over a couple of evenings and a weekend. Total repair cost, $210. Now I know what you're thinking, that's too easy. And trust me, it's not always like this. I've taken L's before, but this time, everything lined up. Here's what I learned from the flip. Always check the seller type. On Copart, some listings come from private sellers or junkyards. Others come from dealers. The dealer cars usually have better resale potential and more accurate listings. Read the damage report twice. I nearly missed a cracked motor mount that would have cost me another $300 if I didn't catch it early. Expect hidden costs. Copart fees alone can add $600 plus to the purchase. Then you've got registration, taxes, delivery, and any surprise repairs. Always budget a cushion. Facebook Marketplace is great for quick flips, but you'll need patience. Most buyers flake, ghost, or offer you trade deals involving goats, broken laptops, or emotional trauma. Would I do it again? Absolutely. But I'd be pickier next time. Clean titles, common cars with strong demand, and minimal mechanical issues. That's the combo I look for now. If you're thinking about flipping your first auction car, my advice is this. Start small, keep your budget tight, and don't fall in love with the vehicle. It's inventory, not your dream ride. And if this video helped or entertained you, hit subscribe. I'll be dropping more flips and auction strategies every week. Because let's be honest, this might be the last hustle that hasn't been completely taken over by AI.